Is this now the way that Bitcoin find the way up to the upside with a positive direction? We see that Bitcoin have formed this last daily candle in a green candle, which is also a good sign that we maybe found here the bottom of our crash in the last weeks. So also by Bitcoin, the clock is ticking because we have the weekly close in 9 hours and 7 minutes. So what does it mean for Bitcoin? We see here, I definitely think, or we all will think, that with this weekly close make with a very, very big red candle to the downside. I think it will not happen that we are closing the weekly candle in green, but that we close the daily candle in green will be a very, very good sign for Bitcoin. So what does it mean for us? In the last video, we have talking about this support level right now here. Bitcoin is fighting here in this range. It was our high in the year 2017 December and the beginning of 2018, and now I think we found here our bottom for Bitcoin. So that will be maybe the case that we can see also higher prices in the next days. So it will be possible that we see here at this level also our support area where we can see the bottom of the Bitcoin crash, and we'll see maybe also prices to the upside. So let us also have a look that most of the altcoins are turning into the green level. So we see here that most of the altcoins, Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Tron, and some other coin, Litecoin, also make 10% with the daily move. So in the weekly move, we also see a very, very bad red signs, but in the daily move, we see very, very good sign for the next days. But also have a look here on the fear and greed index, because here we see the fear and greed index are extremely in fear. So what does this mean? So you know also from all over postings or on social media that the greed and the fear index are always depends how the emotion will feel with the people who buy a Bitcoin and who sell their Bitcoins. So here we see that the last month we have a fear and greed index also and now we see the lowest level by 6, which will be mean. And also we have talking about in the last video, and also we've seen here that now is a very, very good area and a very, very good time to buy more Bitcoin and accumulate more Bitcoin. And if you also want to know how you can buy Bitcoin or how you can trade with Bitcoin, then go under my last video or in this video in the pinned comment. There you'll find a link up to BYBIT and also a link up to Phemex or also on Binance. There you can also buy and trade with the cryptocurrencies. So let us also look on BYBIT, because BYBIT is one of the platforms I definitely prefer for trading with Bitcoin and also to buy more Bitcoin. So here we are at the BYBIT overview. Here you can set new trades with your order size, the market, or for a long or for a short position. You also see here this chart. When we're looking here at the daily chart, it's also the same as you've seen on TradingView. But if you also don't want to trade, only want to invest and buy more Bitcoin, then you can go on buy cryptos. You can deposit some fiat money and buy from this, or you can also directly buy cryptocurrencies with your fiat money. So with your credit card or with your bank account. So here you can set the amount, you can set which coin you will buy. If you want to buy 1 Bitcoin, you can tap it up here, and then you can see here when we do it to US dollar, we can see we can buy now 1 whole Bitcoin for under 20,000 US dollars. So you can go here to buy, and then you can invest your cryptocurrencies or you can start trading over here in the normal trading overview. But when we are also going back to the Bitcoin chart, we're going to the 4-hourly chart, because in the 4-hourly chart we see something very good sign here for Bitcoin. We see this pump here. We'll zoom in a little bit more to this side. You can see here that we saw here the pump to the upside, which will be here now the case that we are founding here our bottom level. So I will definitely wait for a new long position for trading. If you want to trade this level to the upside, then you can wait for an entry price. Also, when we're falling a little bit down, maybe here at this level right here, set a stop loss right now there at this level, and can also trade it here up to the upside, which will be also 25%. If you trade this with 10x leverage, it's over 200% to the upside. And for a move to the downside, what we don't want to see for the Bitcoin price in the long term, or also yes in the short term, I will definitely wait for a short position. If we break this level here to the downside, I will think about open a short position, but not at the time now. So if you also want to trade this right now, you can also go in a trade here for a long position up to here, to this level, where I definitely would take some profits, because here there is the next resistance line. We can also mark it here, that here will be definitely the next resistance line. Here also our support line, so that will be also a very good trade. You have also seen the move. When we also have a look on Ethereum, we're going here to the daily chart of Ethereum. Here on the daily chart of Ethereum, or better in the 4-hourly chart, we can see it much more clearer, that we also have found our support here at the Ethereum chart, which will be here at the 900 level. And we also found here this support. So if you also want to trade with Ethereum, you can also definitely go into the trade and set your stop loss under this level here, and also the same resistance line here at this level at 1,250 or 60 US dollars, and then you have a trade amount for 20% up to the upside. Would also want this with 10x leverage, also 200% to the upside. Before we end this video, we want also go back to the Bitcoin chart, because here at the 4-hourly chart of Bitcoin, we want to also have a look on the EMA. Here we see that we are right now clear at the EMA ribbon. The EMA ribbon is also very strong resistance here at the time now, because we're seeing here that we are going under the EMA ribbon and falling also down. So we must also wait to break this EMA ribbon to the middle, or also through the EMA ribbon, because when we broke the EMA ribbon, when we look a little bit to the past, I look a little bit more to the past, because the last times it's a little bit more. Here we see that we have here our move to the downside, broke the EMA ribbon to the downside, are all the time under the EMA ribbon, and this time we broke the EMA ribbon and get over the EMA ribbon. We have seen this move to the upside, which here to our all-time high. It's a year 2000, I think 2018 was this there. And so when we also going back here, we also see that if we break this EMA ribbon to the upside and founding the EMA ribbon as a support, that we can see way more prices and more levels to the upside. And guys, that is also the end of this video. I hope you enjoy this episode, and if you also want to talk about more coins, maybe also WeChain, the Cardano, or some other coins, let me know also in the comment. And don't forget also to like this video, to subscribe to the channel, and then we see in the next video. Bye bye.